we are going to see the experiment of application hardware development using embedded processor, and here we are going to embed the integrated development environment embedded program for ARM processor. And here we are using the tools that is PC computer and also the software MBUST IDE integrated development environment and Windows 98 or 2000 etc. Then we are going to use the basic ARM instructions only. Here the steps are: first we have to create a new project and then only we can move to the program. And for creating a new project, we have to run the MBUST IDE, that software first, and we have to select the file, new workspace menu, and a new dialog window will open. This pop-up means it just extract out. Okay, we have to input the contents as in the figure 3.1, that is ASM.1, and we have to locate the program which we want to save. And now we have to click the OK button, and therefore new project will be created. This new workspace will also be created using the same name. And after that we have to when we want to rename, we have to click right click. Okay, we have to click right click, and then we have to change the workspace name. And basically this N means number of programs we want to create. Okay, that's only here it is representing. Normally N represents the total number of projects, and then we can activate the project. Okay, then we have to create a source file. Okay, source file is a program file, and here we want to select file new. See here, this is the settings that is we want to setting after the ASM model, and input cursor will be at the first line. Okay, first line we have to write the codings, and this is the source code. Okay, source code files can be saved as a.s. Okay, and this and in the same name only we can save, that is ASM_AS in a.s in project directory. Then we can add the source file to the project by doing this instructions, that is select project in e:colon and add to project, and right click the project name, and we have to select the file that is we have just created. Okay, and we have to change the basic settings, that is basic settings of the same. Okay, else we can just press Alt plus F7. Then a project setting dialog box will open. Okay, and we have to click it as processor. See here, this is the processor ARM processor settings file, that is we have to click the processor, and here we have to click that ARM 7, and this family also we can change, and building tools is GNU tools for ARM processor. Then this is the object code, that is which we want to run. Okay, which we want to press for running the compiling buttons. Okay, then else press F7. Okay, then for debug settings we have to press the same settings as like this. Okay, or else for as per the basic settings we can create the debug settings also. And but for here we have to click remote device where the simulator will run, and we have to select parallel port. After that we have to press the debug page also. Okay, debug page we have to give category as general, and also after clicking the source file it want you to verify, and therefore we have to click this download verify, and if it asks for a new address you can give it as 0x8000, and we have to select the debug button. Then after opening the register file it will open for debugging. Then after running the program we have to open the memory 0x8000. Okay, and we can get the output. Then just only single step to execute the program, and we can see the recorded values in the memory. Okay, Thank you students. Thus we have seen the program of simple program that is embedded in the ARM processor using MBus IDE software. Thank you students.